Just a quick minute with Curious. I was thinking this giant waves crash on Hawaii's beaches, and they say this is the biggest waves they've had in 5 years. You know, I think with global warming, wouldn't extreme surfing become kind of an endangered sport? I don't know if I would be comfortable being a casual spectator on a big wave surfing contest when a tsunami might come in. You know, oh look, it's a real big wave. Oh no! Gnarly, man! Blah, blah, blah. Pass. Won't be doing that. That's right up there with Somali cruises. No thanks. Bye.